How to make homemade, non-toxic mosquito repellent that works. Especially during this time of the year, mosquitoes seem to enjoy visiting our yards and gardens, so repelling them can easily become our top priority. The Environmental Protection Agency reports that there are over 3,000 different species of mosquitoes in the world and about 200 in the US alone. Their activity starts when overnight temperatures start to stay above 50 degrees, and despite their itchy bites, they can also carry diseases. Fortunately, even though the different species have different activity patterns and feeding preferences, they all share the same basic life cycle and habitat preferences. We can't control them all the same way. The following recipe for a homemade mosquito repellent will save your summer and help you prevent those annoying itchy mosquito bites. Ingredients: 10 drops of lemon eucalyptus oil, 15 drops of lavender oil, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Instructions: in a 16 ounces bottle, mix all the ingredients listed above, and fill it with water. Shake the bottle well, and spray all over the body before going outside. Now, you can enjoy the warm, summer nights, as mosquitoes won't spoil them anymore.